Hello to welcome in the next period, potential theory and elliptic differential equations. First we see the Weierstrass convergence theorem. The statement of the theorem: consider a sequence u1 of x of harmonic functions in a neighborhood in a bounded domain D, which are continuous in D plus del D and which have boundary values fn converging uniformly to f or del D. Then this sequence u1 of x converges uniformly in D to a harmonic function u of x with the boundary values f equal to a limit of fn as n tends to infinity. Then we see the next theorem, which is the Harnack's inequality. It is the statement of the inequality is as: let u of x be harmonic in the region mod of x less than r. Second, let u of x greater than 0. Then for mod of x less than r, the following inequality holds: 1 minus mod x by r divided by 1 plus mod x by r to the power m minus 1 into u of 0 less than or equal to u of x less than or equal to 1 plus mod x by r divided by 1 minus mod x by r to the power m minus 1 u of 0. That is this value u of x lies between this value and this value. Now here is 1 minus mod x by r, here is 1 minus mod x by r, here is 1 plus mod x by r to the power m minus 1, here is 1 plus mod x by r. Here we use the Poisson theorem for mod of x less than r and definition of u of x as the mean value property. These two use here in this Harnack inequality. Then we see the next principle, Dirichlet principle. The statement of this principle is: the solution u of the Laplace equation has the property that for all v belongs to d bar, di of u less than or equal to di of v. That we have to prove di of u less than or equal to di of v. That is, u is the function that minimizes the Dirichlet integral di. We see the proof of the principle. Let u belongs to C1, that is u is continuous having the first order derivatives in the region d plus del d, and we define z equal to v minus u, implies di of v equal to di of z plus di of u plus 2 times integration over the region d del g by del x1 into del u by del x1 plus del g by del xm into del u by del xm dx. That is di of v equal to di of z plus di of u minus 2 times z delta u dx plus 2 times integration z del u by del u ds. But del u equal to 0 in the region d and z equal to 0 on del d. Therefore equation 2 becomes di of v equal to di of z plus di of u. Because this del u equal to 0 and z equal to 0, therefore this term and this term becomes 0. We have only the first two terms, but di of z greater than or equal to 0. Hence, from equation 3 we say that di of u is less than or equal to di of v is the required proof of the Dirichlet principle.